What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah, if you don't know already. Today, welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. So today I was inspired by Cardi B's makeup look in the City Girls what's it called, twerk video. I love the way she looked. I love the tiger body paint. I don't know, I just got inspired by it and I really want to do it. So let's get started. Oh yeah, don't forget to please subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, and leave a beautiful comment down below. Let's get started. Let's start with priming the skin. I'm using the Becca First Light Primer, using my Dior Forever Foundation in 044. Too lazy to wet my beauty blender, so I'm using my Mero Badesco Cucumber Spray. It was too dark, so I'm using my YSL All Hours Foundation in B70.
Her lips are kind of a subtle ruby color, where on the inside everything is like a soft, light, pearly pink with undertones of oranges, and my inner lips sort of transition into like a vivid violet-y color towards the ends.
Okay, so
What the fuck?
my vagina is chocolate. Okay, it's chocolate. Yeah, it's chocolate. Now the contrast that I can relate it to is like, you know how you get those Russell Stover boxes of chocolate, and you have that one little square piece of chocolate that you think is caramel, and you bite into it and it's strawberry?
To conceal, I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use concealer in Maple and Warm Sand, I think it's called. I'm gonna add a little more of that lighter concealer because I like to be extra highlighted. If you want to do this, please keep in mind you must have a dark foundation, because if you have the same shade of your foundation with a light ass concealer, you're gonna get flashback and you're gonna look like a ghost. Moving on to bringing back color and sculpting the face, I'm using that same Too Faced multi-use concealer in Cocoa. To set everything, I love to use my Derma Blend translucent powder in Warm Saffron, and of course my Fenty Pro Filter powder in Banana. I just love it because it gives me dimension and I don't look ashy. I strongly recommend the Derma Blend setting powder. It gives such a beautiful, smooth, flawless effect. I feel like I don't crease with this. And the Fenty Beauty is a must because it gives such a beautiful highlighted look and it keeps everything in place. Now we're gonna put the face in the oven and start baking the cake. This is what's gonna make you look so flawless and smooth. I just started doing this because it looks really good in pictures, and I've been watching a lot of Golden Bees videos. I've been watching Cardi B's makeup artist, Erica LaPearl's live makeup tutorials. Bronze and contour, I'm using my Sephora collection micro smooth powder, and I'm also gonna give myself some color and definition with the James Charles palette. My favorite brush at the moment for that is the Morphe M581. Now to dust it off, I'm just using that crown brush that I have that does have no name on it. I bought it at the makeup show years ago. To highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dip. My mind is everywhere. I'm using that with a Mikasa F120, and I'm gonna set my face with the Lancome Fix It Forget It setting spray. To highlight my to highlight my nose, I'm using the Morphe M321. Sheesh. To go in with the first color, I'm using Tribe from the Natasha Denona Safari palette with a Morphe M433 brush. To make everything flawless, I'm using my Sephora Collection Airbrush Crease Brush. Then just going back to add some more of that Tribe color. And then I'm going with Desert Day after this to blow everything out and to make it softer and a better transition. I'm using my Morphe M514 brush for this. To deepen that up, I go in with Thorn with that same M433 brush. I'm done with both eyes and now we're going to cut the crease. I'm using the Too Faced concealer with my Morphe M124 brush. From the Soft Glam palette, I'm using that beautiful pale gold in Fairy. I used another Morphe M124 brush. Liquid liner is my Sephora Collection Precision Liner. Alright, this is the last palette I'm going to use, I promise. But we're going to go into that pale gold from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And in the bottom, we're going to use that teal color underneath. And I'm using my Morphe Mikasa E230 brush. To make everything look smoky, I'm going to use my Milk gel pencil. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I just added some liner, lashes, lipstick, and that's it. You're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave a beautiful comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon. This sound like Cardi to the stage. This sound like Cardi with the